Hello guys, today we got this 2011 Range Rover Evoque. The customer called us up for a one-stage carbon clean. He basically wants to try to see if it's basically going to fix the issue. It's not a maintenance clean, this one, but he's just willing to try it just to see if it fixes it anyway. He's been told he's got a turbo fault code actually, which was turbo performance or something along those lines anyway. We've had this before on a couple of other vehicles. Sometimes it can be actuators, it can be boost pressure sensors. There's quite a few different possibilities that it could have been. We actually looked into the live data on the diagnostics for the actuator earlier on. The data was actually frozen, so in terms of the value it wasn't actually moving anywhere. So I said, okay, it could be a faulty actuator by the looks of it, or it could be it could just be a bit of general build up in there preventing it from moving. About halfway, we've managed to erase the code, do an engine clean on it. We're about, I've put extra time on this one, but we're a little bit into the clean now, so it's not long left on the clean. So halfway through the clean I just looked again, and the values are actually moving now on the actuator. We also had a little bit of hesitation between 2,000 and 3,000 revs. So that's the value on the actuator moving again now when it wasn't earlier. So that's some good news. Also, when we rev the vehicle, again, there's doors open and the bonnet's up and there's fluid needs topping up, but when you rev between 2,000 and 3,000 revs, it was just sticking. Now it's pretty much just going straight away now. Still a little bit there, but it's pretty responsive now.